Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Trello's Board View Switcher. To kick things off, you need to log into your Trello account. Now, why is this important? Because Trello's Board View Switcher is an account-specific feature that tailors the boards based on your added tasks and projects. Once you're in, locate and click on the Boards tab, usually found at the top of your Trello interface. This helps us because it takes us straight to the main hub where all your boards live. It's the heart of your Trello workflow. Now that we've done that, a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing all your boards. In the top right corner of this menu, you'll see the Switch Views button. Click on it. The reason we do this is because it allows you to switch between different viewing modes, giving you the flexibility to choose the one that suits your working style best. Next up, you'll see various viewing options like Table, Timeline, Calendar, and Map. Let me explain why this matters. Each view serves a different purpose. Table View helps you see all your tasks at a glance. Timeline is great for tracking progress over time. Calendar shows your due dates, and Map is perfect if your tasks are location-based. Select the view that suits your needs the most by clicking on it. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Trello saves your preference and will open your boards in this view the next time you log in. And that's it. You've successfully navigated Trello's Board View Switcher. Remember, the power of Trello lies in its flexibility, so don't hesitate to switch views